want to tell you about this really great clothing rack that I got here. And this is a creator's dream. Let me show you all the great details about this clothing rack. I'm going to show you how I use it when I'm filming, and then I'm going to show you the technical breakdowns. Look at these great abilities of this rack. Now, it is on wheels. It is a small footprint, which is what I needed for my particular photo spot. And it is lightweight. I can lift it with one hand, even when it's fully loaded. Look and see all these beautiful things. I love the fact that it has several layers, so I can feature clothing and specialty items up high, like long coats, and I can do jackets, I can do dresses. Look how easy it is, and it has a lot of great features. It comes in this gold and as well as other metal finishes, but I love that it has all these little knobbies up here to keep things from sliding off, and I turn it around a lot. I can put a full dress way at the top here. I can feature one piece in front and give it all the attention it deserves while I'm grabbing accessories in the back and adding to it. I can style a piece very easily because of the way these knobbies work at the top. Look at this from a different angle here. See, I can focus on this dress and I can set it here. I can style it with accessories. I can even put a hat on top here because it's so hot and it looks like a real outfit. I love that. Having everything at my fingertips really gives it a great style. It almost serves like a mannequin, but it's on wheels and it has lots of shelves and it has lots of places to store things. There is just endless ways that I can use this rolling clothing stand, and I love it. I can even put it in the back of my car and bring it with me to a trade show or an event that I have. Now look at the difference, how I can style that outfit right here as if it's on a live person and talk about it at the same time. Now that is one thing I love. Now it has 4 of these protruding extenders to create outfits or to hang handbags, and it has 3 additional horizontal shelves with knobs on the end to keep things from sliding off. And then it also has my favorite feature, which I haven't seen anywhere else, is a flat rack on the bottom. In fact, it has 2 flat racks on the bottom. Let me show you that. And I can easily be talking through my demonstrations while I'm showing you another feature. Now look at the bottom here. It has an easy spot for slip-on shoes here. I can slip them on as I'm talking very easily. Has a flat spot for things that you want to store out of the way, like a pair of shoes, and then has ample room here for baskets for more shoes, more handbags, anything that you want. With the star quality, look really close at the star quality of these full 360-degree casters that lock. I have it here on some thick carpet and it slides just as beautifully as it does if it's on wood floor or a tile. Now it has brakes if I need to lock it in place, and it is just a dream. Whether you're creating content or you actually need this in your closet. If you're in a small apartment, this is ideal because you can put together a lot of different clothing in a small footprint and you can actually style your outfits and see how they go together. I love this piece and I highly recommend it.